In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to projects in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, you want to open any project within your Asana workspace where you'd like to add that new custom field. So go ahead, find your project, and click on it. You may already have a few columns set up for tasks, but we're going to make it even better. Once you're in the project, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Workflow. Click on that. This is a handy feature that allows you to manage various aspects of your project, including the fields we want to customize. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, select the Fields option. This will bring up an interface where you can adjust your project columns. You'll likely see existing custom fields if your project already has some set up. Next, we want to create a new field, so look for the Add button in that menu and click on it. Then, select the Create New option. This is where the magic happens. You now have the ability to set up a brand new field that's specifically tailored to your project's needs. The first thing you'll want to do is type a descriptive title for your new field. Think about what you want your team members to understand when they see this field. The right title makes it much easier for everyone to know what information they should be filling out. Following that, you need to choose a field type. Asana gives you several options here, including text, number, date, or even a drop-down menu. Depending on what kind of data you want to collect, pick the one that fits best. For example, if you're tracking deadlines, selecting a date field makes perfect sense. If you decide to go with a drop-down menu for your field, you'll need to define the specific options that team members can choose from. This could be various statuses like in progress, completed, or any criteria that fit your project's unique requirements. Once you're satisfied with your title and field type, it's time to create the field. So go ahead and click on the Create Field button. Voila! Your new custom field is now saved and added to your project. Now it's really important to use that new field. Head on over to the empty cells under the new column you just created. Click on a cell and fill it in with the appropriate value or information related to the tasks in that project. This is where the new field will start to show its value by helping you and your team keep track of everything more efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully created custom fields to enhance your project management in Asana. Take a moment now to check your results. Look over your project and see how the new field integrates with everything else. It's amazing how a small addition can streamline your workflow and keep everyone on the same page. That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching and happy project management.